Stay, Zoe. Zoe, I know you want to be in the water.
Oh, she loves it too, doesn't she? Oh my gosh, she's just sopping wet already. And isn't that cold? That's got to be cold.
Pretty cold. That's like
Yeah.
Right here, this wind is nothing compared to over there in Huntington Beach. It was 65 and
it's right on the
right on.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
That water's cold.
I'm not getting wet. You're getting wet.
Look at him go. Golly. Oh, I think that kid loves water.
Yeah, don't spray it over those.
Yeah, it's clean.
I just washed that thing today. So Taryn knows where to run now.
Yeah.
Woo! Look at him go. Okay, here's something else.